Click My in the bottom, select Apply to be Engineer. Once the app administrator approves your application, you can provide the remote assistance service to clients. Fill in the relevant information and click on Confirm Application. Select the device. Click the setting image in the top right corner. Then click the setting. Click the remote assistance. The app will create the information and QR code for the remote assistance application. Then share them with your engineer or sellers. The engineer can scan the QR code to send a control application and manage your device and set the parameters by app to provide the after-sales service.